offline and online. Let's go. Live it is. So okay, I'll just put the chat here. Make sure that I can still see it. If there are any chatters. Okay. Just I'll advertise the chatting and okay, close that and let's go. Did I change the title? I did. That's rare. Okay, let's go. So, the thing we're going to code on wireframe, because I don't think I'll time to finish the coding. I mean, I know I won't. Is this little app because I discovered that there was like a cool domain that was up for grabs, so I I bought it. Um, of course, let's follow him, which is great. So the idea is just like a URL shortener that's kind of like centered around um, instead of so the thing is the idea is that instead of inserting like for example if you take my site for example just examples here um, for example this link I'm curious about how many people click on this link um, sort of the idea would be to replace that with another link for example um, that would just count that and just make it very easy to integrate it like this or just simply just like a traditional URL shortener, but that's also like one of the features that I'd like. Um, so I found this nice catch line, which is great. So that's the home screen, but that's let me just remove that. That's not useful. I'll add a register here because that's useful, which then goes to well here it basically goes to the identity server for most of the things I buy, so I build, so I'm just gonna have a black box, or as black as I can make it. How black is that? It's not very black, but it's gonna have to do. Um, and I'm gonna call that identity. I'm not gonna see anything. Oh, alright. Do we see anything? Yeah, we do. Okay, great. Um, Another thing is here we want maybe a login button. So some kind of here, I guess centered right here. It, um, yeah, just remove that quickly. Alright, make that a bit bigger so we can actually type things in. So that would be um, docs login, right? It's pretty much all we need. Actually, I probably want to put that right here. And then in here we need to have some kind of footer with most like privacy, um, things like that. Alright. And this, yeah, I just make that small. Okay, can I bring that down a bit? Okay, that's very high def. It's a very high def wireframe. That's good. Um, yeah, then off, which is just a black box because already it's already done. I don't need to do anything on that front. And then users would arrive to some kind of dashboard. Okay, I'm just going to take that frame, copy that. I'll put it here so I can easily just paste it. Okay. Let's bring that down a bit. That's so cool. That's so cool. Um, let's just yeah. All right. So I want this to be simple. Let's just look at the nice little not logged in, but that's fine. Um, I just want to look for inspiration. Can always log in later on. This is going to be too complicated of a layout. It's really simple. Like there's not much. Multi-column layouts will also be okay. This one is great. This one is kind of like what we want. This one's too complicated. This one, I mean, these would work. These would work. But yeah, not that needed. Now, can I look at I don't know page examples, for example? Yeah. Mm, no, not really. Not really what I'm looking for. But why did you go? Okay, home screens. Okay, this style I like. It's kind of what I'm looking for here. This I don't. Alright, I'll need to come up with something. So, what do we want? We want list of links, most like important metric available with no clicks, right? That looks. Let me just unzoom, move that here. Okay. Um, access to the documentation and creating a link from the interface, creating a link in one click. Alright. What else? Well, billing easily accessible. Of course, it's a software as a service. Things are not fun if it's not a software as a service. Okay. So let's just say that we have this navbar because I think navbar would still work the best. Alright, we have this little thing here. We may have like an account or something. Um, we have a search bar. I'm gonna call that search, otherwise it may be confusing. So you can quickly like find a link. Great. Here that's gonna be our little logo. I don't know what it is yet. I know it's probably has to have, it has to be with like follow him. So nope, want that. Yeah. So it's probably just gonna be some kind of arrow or and then the text follow him. All right. Here we want to define some kind of container, right? So actually maybe we want it like two-sided, like a mailbox. Maybe here you'd have like your sites. Oh, it's actually shaping up crazy. So here you'd have a little sites thingy. Um, how do we make that smaller? Alright, great. They just need to make their controls smaller and then can replace Sigma for me. So we'll, for example, here say, alright, just a random site. No, just random site. Um, damn, wait, what? So I just got okay, sorry, I just got an email that I reached 10,000 page views the last 7 days on my site, which sounds like a lot. Um, That's not including bot traffic. But who includes bot traffic nowadays? Here we're gonna have a little add site thingy here. But we'll also have it, unless we made this a header, we'll also have it here. So I'm just going to duplicate that a bit. And then we'll have that connect site. Because we want kind of moderation, so like I don't want, like, only site owners should be able to create links on this. And it's funny, I added a H, but that's, yeah. Is there like a her TLD so we can be gender neutral? Neutral. Alright, but can we buy one? Buy domain. That's the main thing. So we can have FL follow him and follow her, that'd be funny. So it looks like we can. Okay, is it available now? Probably not, because it also spells follow her. Surely it's not. Yeah, that's too bad. I'm just gonna quickly, wait, no. Let's just dig quickly. Yeah, they're just domain squatting. I mean, I get it. It's a great domain. All right. Connect site, and here we have all the links. All the links. Okay. Put one right here. I did set up a buy me a coffee account because a viewer just said, can I tip? And I was like, wait, you can't. um, and I'm still waiting for GitHub sponsors to, I mean, I basically did not finish everything that was needed. So why did I create all that? That's just unnecessary. So I basically had no way. And I was like, that's fine. But for future reference, I decided, no, I mean for future use, I decided, okay, I'll create a little buy me a coffee website. I mean, account. Didn't take much time. It's pretty cool. It's basically GitHub sponsors, except it's not made by Microsoft or just for GitHub in particular. I'd say GitHub got it writer, like the implementation. Anyway, so here we have a list of links. So this is just a global search, actually. And here, because you want to be able to filter, so this needs to be like a very effective filter. All right, this is too big for me. I don't like it. Yeah, I said I don't like it. Get smaller. All right, you know what? You won. Don't get smaller. I don't care. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna delete you. Who's dumb now, huh? Alright. Little filter here. Um, this is going to be, that screen is going to be on the home page. Yeah. So we need to make it shine. Okay, and here maybe I'm guessing a button to, like, so cog, for example, alright? I'm hoping everything can be achieved using just one input. I don't know if, you know, if that's just me dreaming about building some great input, like something like that basically, but that's kind of smarter as well. Yeah, it doesn't even support keyboard navigation. I mean, come on, what is that? Supports tabbing though. Okay. Um, So here it's basically just a list of links. Maybe with a little, actually maybe there's a little, can I draw things? Yes I can, alright. That's pretty cool. Did not mean that. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that either. Can I? No. No. Still no. No. Yeah. Alright, get rid of that. Oh yeah. Looks like a that looks like an arrow to me. And yeah, it would have like mm, hold up. That'd be okay, no I know. So you only track links that come from a particular domain, right? So for example, in here you could have like github.com. This is a long ass. Can I make it like way smaller? All right. So you'd have that, and here you'd have analytics. So first of all, so what do we want? We want a graph, right? Want a graph? Oh, we're gonna make points in the graph. Oh no, that's ugly. That looks so good. And here like just 0, and then just plateau all the way up here, and then nope. Yep. Something like that. Okay, looks good to me. Do we need anything else? What do we need in analytics? I guess we'd need a little setting here that opens up a modal. Um, yeah, probably. Okay, what else? This also opens a modal, so we have to build a few modals. No, no, that's it. I'm good. Yeah, but what if I, come on.